So as the market for electrification continues to grow globally, the push is very heavy in the automotive, aerospace, and defense market segments. This presentation will review the manufacturability, pros and cons, within the stator, rotor, and all the materials and processes that go into making a highly efficient, quality motor with a focus on die-cast induction machines. So as markets continue to move towards electrification, this is one example, the aerospace industry. As you can see on the slide in front of you, there are many products on a plane that have electrification. The slide today shows the current aerospace and electrification components. Many electrical motor and generator technologies are already in place on airframes, as you can see today in the slide. Where are we going, you might ask? We are headed to more electrified solutions in the automotive and aerospace industry. What are some of the challenges? Thermal management. How do we leverage material and design to reduce heat? Power density. How do we drive more power into the motor with less space? Weight reduction. How do we leverage alternate materials for better weight reduction? How do we optimize size, weight, and power? And what are the right trade-offs? Using materials with a secure supply chain. How do we provide a lighter, more power dense, and smaller motor design at a cost competitive solution?